Another day, another wrap. Today it's gonna be the hood. First, we're gonna take off the shaker scooper thingy so we can lay down the wrap better. And also I have to clean it, so it's gonna be a clay bar and alcohol, and then we'll get to it. All right, let's go. And it's at this moment right here that I realize I've entered into the Twilight Zone. quirky. So this is a different day, obviously. That day that I wrapped the hood, I died inside the garage. I mean, my mom was checking on me, my neighbor was checking on me. I was in here an awfully long time. At the end of the day, I'm really happy with the results. I did have to fix a few things, but I've learned lessons, and that's really, you know, part of the process. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Mini skirt on, dip my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on, dip my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya.
Hot diggity dog, we are done. If you like this video, please like or subscribe. Thanks, bye.